human, in our life, starting from small computer programs to real life situations, we face many problems. So, whenever we hear terms like error, problem, or bug, we feel frustrated. But what if I say a bug paved the way for IT jobs to India?
याद करिए, इस शताब्दी की शुरुआत के समय Y2K संकट आया था। भारत के टेक्नोलॉजी एक्सपर्ट्स ने
Y2K stands for year 2000. The millennium bug is a computer flaw. In the late 20th century, when technology started blooming, many business fields started using computers, and computer programmers started writing complex programs using languages like COBOL and Fortran. During that period, one of the major issues with all the computers is that it had very little memory and it is costly to afford. So every programmers need to save space while writing their programs, and one of the ways they did to save space was to represent the date in a two-digit format. For example, 1970 was represented as 70. This is how all the date formats stored in the computer during that period. As the year 2000 approached, computer programmers realized that the computer might not interpret 00 as 2000, instead it will interpret as 1900. Activities that were programmed on daily or yearly basis would be damaged or flawed. Due to this bug, many software will malfunction, and they also thought that all the systems that rely on the computer were going to fail at the turn of century. All the world countries had a fear that this will lead to a fall in economy because bank sectors which calculates interest rates daily or yearly basis will fail to calculate correctly. Power plants also depends on routine computer maintenance for safety checks such as water pressure or radiation levels. Not having the correct date would throw off these calculations and possibly put nearby residents at risk. Transportation also depends on the correct time and date. To control the huge drift in economy, all the software and hardware companies raced to fix this bug, and countries like US, UK priced Y2K compliant programs to help. One of the solutions for this problem is to change the date format of year to 4-digit, but affording huge memory space is costly. So government of US passed the 2000 Information and Readiness Act to fix the problem. The solution they found was going through the million lines of code and fix the potential bug manually. For this they needed a lots of people. For this laborious work, the world turns towards India, and Indian IT sectors came into the picture. They started outsourcing to other countries, and this is how enormous job opportunities in IT sector bloomed in India. In the end, there were very few problems caused due to this Y2K bug, and no malfunctioning of computers happened. From this, it is evident that, as Albert Einstein said, in the middle of difficulty lies opportunity. Though this issue is very small and it was seen as a huge issue that will lead to the end of the world technically during that period. Likely, this pandemic is also an opportunity lying in front of our hands. Thank you.